Hello guys, hope you had a good trading day today. I think interesting setup today onto the order flow. We'll discuss in detail. So let's see what happened today onto Nifty, Bank Nifty. So let's look at Nifty. What happened? So Nifty, opened at this zone. If you see exactly at a single print, then it came back. It took a support on the single print. Then we saw upside momentum. But then this single print acted as a very nice support, and then we saw selling into the second half, which is a emotional selling. Now if you see our videos continuously, emotional selling is a concept which is a very important concept. It can give you huge amount of money, if you really understand when it works, how it works, and how it is. So definitely we got a good entry into the trades on the upside. Then eventually we came out with a minimal profit on the call side, and then we made some amount on the put sides, because emotional selling was activated already in the I session is almost around at 115 to 145. So around 145 it was clear that there is an emotional selling coming into the markets. And I think if you see the order flow today, order flow was not big. Nifty was doing very sideways since morning, but then you know we saw emotional selling, and there was some sellers coming in as well. 920 to 1500 contracts, if you see here, 700 contracts. And then we saw a breakdown onto the Nifty. But then Nifty, we had a emotional selling. Now what is emotional selling? If you are new to our channel, if you see generally this white line changes with the price. Now if price is going down, the white line should also go down. Price is going up, white line should also go up. But in this situation, if you see, white line remains straight for whole day, even if price went a lot down. Okay, मतलब price बहुत नीचे आया था, but white line kept at it is. So I can show you an example. So this is let's say the day. If you see, the white line was going up. Maybe example where selling happened, so like you guys can understand it properly. Let's say this was a day where we saw some selling into the markets, if I'm not wrong. If I just do and split, if you see the white line, the price was going down, and the white line was here. Then it came down, it came down till 14 something. So in general, white line goes up when the price go up, white line goes down when the price go down. But this is a scenario where white line remains straight, and this is a day of a emotional selling. You can look up my videos, earlier videos also on the emotional selling. You can get a huge idea, and this will give you a huge amount of money into the markets, because this is a simple indicator, very simple indicator. What only you need to look at is that white line is straight or it is moving during the day. If it is straight, and if the price is going down, you can definitely enter into puts with a stop loss above white line, and you can get a huge amount of money into the markets. Same happened today. So this is Nifty for you guys. Bank Nifty was a crucial, but Bank Nifty, if you see, in the morning session itself, we saw a buyer with 2000 contracts who did not got any follow through. So this price did not go up. Here we saw somebody with 2200 contracts sell, 1200 contracts buy. So this was a buying zone in the morning. Okay, here till here, and then there was a seller came in, and as the day progresses, there was no follow through to this price, and eventually we seeing that there are multiple sellers coming in. So here there is a seller with 3000 contracts, 1100 contracts, you know so seller was increasing during day. And if you see, uh, you know uh, if you go down, you see the sellers are increasing. So here 1100 contracts, 1300 contracts, if you add both at this level, it was around 2500 contract sell. So sellers pressure was increasing. If you see, from 1100 contracts it directly went to 6000 contracts. So there was 5000 contracts more sold into this position, and that's why we saw a sharp big down into the Nifty, Bank Nifty. If you also see this single print, we discussed that it should act as a support. Exactly, market came at this level. It, if you see properly, अगर आप ठीक से देखोगे तो ये जो के सेशन था, ये एग्जैक्टली ये सिंगल प्रिंट के आसपास गया, वहां से एक बाउंस बैक देखने को मिला, बट जैसे ही फिर ये लो ब्रेक हुआ ये सिंगल प्रिंट का, एक शार्प सेलिंग देखने को मिला। थ्री फोर 44381 से सेलिंग चालू हुआ, दैट डायरेक्टली वेंट टू 44105। सो इतना पावरफुल कंसेप्ट होता है सिंगल प्रिंट, जब भी ब्रेक होता है बहुत बड़ा मोमेंटम मार्केट में देखने को मिलता है। So again guys, if you see and now you see the difference between selling into nifty and bank nifty में selling हो रहा था, व्हाइट लाइन देखो नीचे की तरफ आ रहा था। इफ यू सी निफ्टी व्हाइट लाइन सेम था, तो यहाँ पे इमोशनल सेलिंग था। बैंक निफ्टी में सेलिंग था, बट अगर आप देखोगे तो जितना प्राइस नीचे गया उतना व्हाइट लाइन नीचे नहीं गया था, बट इट इज नॉट अ इमोशनल सेलिंग गाइज। वी कैन से दैट ओके दिस वाज अ सेलिंग, फास्ट एंड फ्यूरियस सेलिंग होने की वजह से व्हाइट लाइन उतना फास्ट नीचे की तरफ नहीं गया, क्योंकि सेलिंग अगर आपने देखा रहेगा तो लास्ट के 15 मिनट्स में और 30 मिनट्स में बहुत ब्रूटल था। So guys, this is not a emotional selling. I can show you one more example. Fin Nifty, अगर आप Fin Nifty देखोगे तो it is an emotional selling. White line was straight, so Nifty Fin Nifty was a emotional selling. Bank Nifty was not a emotional selling, guys. But then if you just learn this concept, कितना पैसा बन सकता है यहाँ पे। 2000 के आसपास, 20,000 के आसपास था, 200 पॉइंट्स नीचे ऑन द फिन निफ्टी। निफ्टी में भी अराउंड 428 के आसपास से डायरेक्टली 326। सो अराउंड 100 पॉइंट्स ऑन टू निफ्टी गाइज, और कुछ करना नहीं है, यू जस्ट नीड टू ऑब्जर्व व्हाइट लाइन एंड उसके हिसाब से यू नीड टू डू अ ट्रेड। सो फाइन, एनीवेज दिस इज अ डे गॉन, व्हाट वाज अ डे फॉर पुट बायर्स, एग्जैक्टली अ गुड डे। यहाँ पे भी अगर आप देखोगे तो सिंगल प्रिंट ब्रेक हुआ था, तो एक शार्प ट्रेड डेफिनेटली देखने को मिला। नाउ व्हाट नेक्स्ट? सो नाउ अभी निफ्टी ने एक सिंगल प्रिंट बनाया है, तो जब तक 19386 या 19387 ब्रेक नहीं करता है, ऊपर की लेवल पे जाना डिफिकल्ट है। और आज का जो हाई है वो काफी बड़ा रेजिस्टेंस मार्केट के लिए साबित होगा। लोअर लेवल पे 18 19 to 80 के आसपास एक सपोर्ट है, एंड देन इफ दैट लेवल इज ब्रोकन, देन वी हैव अ सपोर्ट अराउंड 19 to 56 के आसपास। एंड अगर ये लेवल ब्रेक होता है विच इज अ सिंगल प्रिंट लेवल, तो एक थोड़ा सा शार्प सेलिंग जैसे आज आया था सिंगल प्रिंट ब्रेक करने के बाद, वो देखने को मिल सकता है। सो वी विल सी, आई एम एक्सपेक्टिंग अ काइंड ऑफ अ साइडवेज एक्सपायरी, नथिंग विल हैपन इनटू द मार्केट्स, because now markets will have a upper side resistance as a single print, and lower side we also have a good support. So maybe markets, kind of a volatility would be there a lot into tomorrow's market. For bank nifty also, until unless we cross 44,527, there is no discussion on the upside onto the markets. On the lower side we can see that there are supports, which are acting from a long time. So this is a very important support, 43,821 से लेके 43,890, this is a very important level. If this is broken tomorrow somehow, we might see a sharp selling, so maybe we can see 43,600, and then maybe we don't know, maybe there is a bigger selling coming in. So let's wait and watch. Bank nifty has broken an important level, and but only hope for bank nifty is that we have a single print, sorry, emotional selling into nifty, which might help bank nifty tomorrow. So I think this is a nifty bank nifty for you. HDFC bank, if you see again a emotional selling, this white line was straight and we saw a sharp down move. Axis bank, again white line was at a similar level, and we saw a sharp decline into the price. So this doesn't happen very frequently into the markets. ICICI bank also, if you see straight line, and then we had, yes, but ICICI bank we saw some decline, so ICICI bank is not exactly the emotional selling, but yes, SBI also kind of a straight, so after this kind of a straight, but Kotak Bank kind of a emotional selling we have. IndusInd Bank not a emotional selling. Federal Bank, exactly at a single print support. So we will see what happens. RBL Bank, when it broke the level of a single print, 237, got a move of around 243 के आसपास का move देखने को मिला है. Reliance is resisting this single print, so there is no entry. 2454, we have discussed this level for Reliance to enter. Bajaj Finance, if you see, was a clear emotional selling. The price is at exactly at 1700, and we saw a sharp down move into the Bajaj Finance price as well. So guys, जब मिलता है ना इमोशनल सेलिंग, तो सभी स्टॉक्स में देखने को मिलता है, और आप काफी पैसा बना सकते हो, बिकॉज आपके पास काफी पैसा है, तो you can enter puts of other banks as well or other stocks as well, जहाँ पे मतलब मार्केट्स में जहां पे भी दिख रहा है इमोशनल सेलिंग है, यू जस्ट एंटर इनटू पुट्स एंड जस्ट कैरी दैट पोजीशन. You can earn good amount of money into the second half of the markets. This doesn't happen very frequently. If you are a regular buyer, you know that this doesn't happen regularly, but whenever it happens, it gives a huge amount of money for the trading. अगर हमने LNT की बात करोगे, तो एग्जैक्टली सिंगल प्रिंट रेजिस्टेंस ही बहुत it was not able to break that, and then again saw a sharp selling. So basically, till unless we see today's high now crossed, there is no point in entering into LNT or any other stock. So guys, that's it for now. I think tomorrow is expiry, so main focus would be on Nifty Bank Nifty. So we will see what happens into Nifty Bank Nifty tomorrow. But I think for me, kind of a sideways expiry. And I think steel sector, we discussed that it showed a good strength. So we might see a good amount of strength in coming days into a steel sector. So keep an eye on the steel sector, guys. Okay. That's my view. But anyways, so importantly, let's go back again to Nifty Bank Nifty. So if Nifty crosses 18,386, maybe we can again test yesterday's high, but chances are kind of a bream, and मतलब बहुत low chances है, and lower side पे maybe we can test 19,280 or 19,260 के आसपास. But tomorrow we'll try to be online, and we will give you a live support, and we will show you what is happening on the order flow live, and then we can take a good view about the markets. Okay, anyways, so with this I think sorry, yeah, what I wanted to show was a disclaimer that, okay guys, this video is only for education purpose. Please do not take any trade or investment decision. You can consult your financial advisor before you take any trade or investment decision. We are not responsible for loss due to content in the video. Guys, thanks for watching. As I always say, be passionate about the markets, learn about the markets. They will pay you dividends in the longer run. Thanks guys, thanks for watching. Bye bye.